Oh, there's one. He's got his smoke trail going. Yeah, there's an air show going on at Cannon Air Force Base. You can kind of see him. Can't really zoom in, but it's free to get in. But what you do is you park somewhere, and then they do a shuttle bus. We just have no money to go to it, and I'd want a Thunderbird's coin because I have a Blue Angels coin, but I'd want a Thunderbird's coin too to go with it. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. He's going really fast. So hopefully maybe they'll make a pass through here again. All four of them pass through. But yeah, sorry, there's not much commentary here. But yeah, there's an air show going on at Cannon Air Force Base. And they keep flying over. Some of them do, well the Thunderbirds do, but nobody else does. They're too good to fly over us. But yeah, just enjoying the outside weather here on this hot, muggy day. Well, it's not muggy because it's dry heat. It's nice. So, yeah. It's fun to come shooting over to catch some good video. That's the main reason why I wish I was out there, because it'd be fun and it'd make really freaking awesome video. Yeah. Watch out, there's a snake.
Shut up. Oh, I'm looking, trust me, I'm looking.
Better a smart ass than a dumbass. That's a good pooping hole. Oh, there's a hole right here too. Oh damn, we missed a loop. Oh. They did a loop-de-loo and we were dumb and missed it. Shut up. Shut up, you big mean dog. Yeah. Yeah, that dog and that dog, those two are outside all day and all night. Look at that. Oh, that one at least is shaved. I don't give a shit about those dogs. I want to see the planes. Oh, there they are. There they are. There they are. Right above us. Right there. There we go. That's the Thunderbirds. There we go. Oh, let's see if they'll come back over.
Quite the hole.
It's like a post hole.
Yeah.
And it's fresh. Just keeping my eyes on the sky. Oh my God. All night long, and then the guy across the street, the Billy Badass of the park, his dog, who, you know, his brother claims that he doesn't leave outside all night, but bullshit. That dog is outside, a long-haired German Shepherd. Oh my God, they got two. They got a little min pin or something over there too. No. There's that one, and there's some little football. Oh, there they are. Check it out.
Oh, wow.
That is cool. I don't know, I think they're making a heart.
Oh, they love us. Cool. See the little hut right there. That's pretty cool.
Should be out on the road.
Yeah. Well, my arm's getting sore,
Yeah.
so I'm going to quit now. Alright, talk to y'all later.
I'm sorry, but everyone, does that say MIB? I knew it. Super secret government shit. The Illuminati confirmed.
Yeah, there we go.
This is what you call poop dogs throwing temper tantrums, knocking over their water. Knocking over mom's water. How dare you leave us, Mom?
Oh, bad dog. Hi, bad hot dog.
Oh, and then you tangled yourself up in the hose. Who's a dumb bad dog? And that's Sam. That's Sam that not wrapped himself up in the hose.
Creepers. I know
Who's a
what this
dumbass?
is. I know what this is.
Oh, they're going off that way. Shit. If we were out on the road, we'd be able to see this better. Going out to the road. And there's Billy Badass's trailer. He's the badass of the park. You don't fuck with him. Oh, he's badass. Such badass, much wow. And dude's like 70 some years old, pretending that he's pretending he's my age. Dress all gangsters though, because he's got himself a Latino girlfriend who he got knocked up. He's got a mohawk. He's such a badass. You don't want to fuck with him, is he? He'll cut you so deep. You wish you not been cut so deep by him. Oh, there they are. I see them. Oh, damn it. Trying to see them in my... There they are. And there they go. Alright. So I think I'm going to call that an end to my video. And I will talk to you guys later. Make sure to big thumbs down this video, because that tells me how much you really love it. And it lets me know that you took that much time out of your day to appreciate my fine video content. So you gave it a big thumbs down, because it gave you such a boner. And if you just like it, give it a thumbs up. But I mean, if you're like a super fan, like you got Major Wood, even Chick Wood, you gave it a big thumbs down, because you're like, oh yeah, his videos are such much wow. Such win, much wow. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And even if you don't like me, subscribe.